Very proactive throughout my entire degree. I think I clocked up in a 3.5 year course. I clocked up about 18 months worth of internship time. I think the best advice I could give to anybody who's watching this just now is be prepared to be criticised and just have an extra layer of skin. The people that are perhaps they're challenging your ideas and some of your philosophies or some of your frustrations is because they're in their own comfort zone.
We have another award winner. I'm not conscious.
Gather award winner.
I know, I just hang around with award winners.
You're a groupie, aren't you? So,
yeah, it's just these famous people that
I send
follow me
that
around.
letter because it's my gift to you. To
Is
have.
it?
Yes.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you.
No, it's fine. It's
oh,
you
how
will,
kind.
I know you will. Technically, I'm a model, right? If I've done that.
Anyway. I don't know if one picture counts, but yeah,
I
sure.
mean,
Yeah, we'll get up to that.